3. No patches in that box at all. No patches. Wow, just even a thin auto. We got 2 patch cards. Well, one's not even a patch. We got 1 patch auto, 1 over name, and a triple patch. Only 3 cards that are patch thickness, I should say. Yeah, I've never really been excited to get 10 cal in this stuff, to be honest. Alright. Sorry, this is box number 11 again. Number 11. Back to back 11. Nope, 11 up 44, then back to 11. So number 10, weird. There we go. Good luck. Oh, we got a bunch of patches in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we only got 2 base cards. Okay. Good luck. We got Buck Williams for the Nets. Buck Williams. 51 of 99, and Marcus Thornton for the Kings. 68 of 99. Alright. Here come the hits. For the Bulls, 23 of 25. Real nice 3-color patch of Scottie Pippen. More Bulls. Yeah, Pippen patch. That's nice. 23 of 25. And we got 24 out of 49 for the Seattle Sonics, or Thunder, Gary Payton. 24 of 49, colossal jersey. The glove. Thunder doing well. For the Utah Jazz, John Stockton, All-NBA jersey. Number to 99. Mark Price for the Cleveland Cavaliers, jersey card, 38 of 99. Craig Brackens, autograph rookie for the Sixers. Craig Brackens. Pulled that card many times, Brackens. Rigged. 10 of 99. I got 2 hits, how about that? Then we have... You gotta be shitting me. Cole Aldridge, numbered 15 of 49 for the Oklahoma City Thunder, dual patch autograph. Wow. J10 is just destroying Cole Aldridge right now. What the fuck, man? Oh, so many. How do they give you a case with so many? For the Houston Rockets, we got, ooh, those are nice patches. Patrick Patterson, dual patch auto. 40 of 49. We got 2 patch autos, and we got an RPA, I think. Yeah, there you go, good luck. Avery Bradley. The Boston Celtics. Avery Bradley. That one is gold, number 24 of 25. 24 of 25. Avery Bradley. And Cole Aldridge. 3 frickin' Cole Aldridges. Patrick Patterson's galore. Alright, there's 1 box left. That's box 3. Peace.